Managers, please listen up. If you run meetings, you gotta heed this advice. First, recognize that there are two types of meetings, presentations and debates. In presentations, one or more people share information and the rest of the audience just sits and listens. In debates, a group of people gather to discuss and resolve some kind of problem. The first meeting type is very passive, the second is very active, and both types mean well by trying to get people aligned, but they both suck in their own way. Here's how to fix them. First, presentations. You've heard this meeting could have been an email? Yeah, do that. Send an email a day or more in advance with the full content that you intended to present. Then when it's time for the meeting, which you still have, make it a short one with fully optional attendance that is focused on debate. If someone has questions or concerns about the content you sent, they can show up and discuss. No concerns? Meeting canceled. The best company board meetings that I've ever been a part of, and I've been a part of many. That's where company execs meet with the board of directors to discuss the health and trajectory of the business. The best board meetings have been run this way. All the info has been laid out in advance, so the meeting becomes laser focused on discussion and resolving concerns. Now, the second meeting type, debates, they have a simple fix too. Remember, they exist to provide a forum for discussion en route to making a decision. Just make it attendance optional. If someone doesn't care about the decision or doesn't have anything special to add to the discussion, they shouldn't be forced to go. So there you have it. Meetings are important to get people fully aligned, but we can run them a lot better with just a couple small tweaks. What do you think? You gonna try these out? Let me know in the comments.